Google Threat Intelligence allows you to search for observed files, including those classified as malware exploiting a specific vulnerability by traditional antivirus engines. To do this, let's create a query to illustrate. For instance, this query looks for files tagged as an exploit associated with CVEs from 2025. The FS modifier specifically targets files first observed within the last 3 months. You can make your searches more precise by adding further modifiers. Let's say we are interested in searching for a specific CVE, CVE 2024-3400, a critical command injection vulnerability. We can change the query to include it. As we can see, we have several results, and some files have associations with a specific malware exploiting this vulnerability. By clicking on a file, we can get the full report to understand it more in depth. The Detections tab contains Yara rules detecting this file and a Code Insights summary to understand the functionality of the code. In the Associations tab, we can see that the vulnerability was associated with a malware called CrapBot and 2 campaigns talking about how the vulnerability was exploited. We can click on any card to get more information on it.